For our first story today, we're going to be talking about the terror birds, specifically one called Forashacos. Forashacos lived in what is now South America during the Eocene epoch from about 56 to 34 million years ago. It was part of a group of birds known as the terror birds or the Forashracidae. These were large, mostly flightless birds that were the dominant land predators in their ecosystems. One of the most famous members of this group is Forashacos longissimus. This species was first described by Omagino in 1895. The name Forashacos comes from the Greek words phoro, meaning bear, and sakos, meaning claw. So put together, it means bear claw. And this name was given to it because of its massive claws, which were more than 3 inches long. This massive bird was around 8 feet tall and weighed up to 265 pounds. It had a large head with a strong beak that was hooked like a bear's. Its eyes were also huge, possibly to help it spot prey from far away. Now, unlike most birds, it wasn't built for climbing or perching. Instead, it had strong legs that were perfect for running. Its feet were also unique. They had 3 toes facing forward and 1 toe facing backward, giving it a wide stance for balance. This also helped when it was hunting. By spreading its feet wide, it could trap its prey and make sure that it didn't escape. But what did it eat? Well, it was an opportunistic predator, so it would eat just about anything that moved. It hunted just like a lion, chasing down its prey and using its massive claws to catch it. It probably also scavenged dead animals. Its teeth were more like those of a mammal than other birds. They were more suited for crushing bone than tearing up flesh. This suggests that it was more than happy to eat smaller vertebrates whole. It may have even tackled larger prey, but the bones of its victims were often too thick to be practical. So how did its potential prey escape? Well, not all Forashracidae were built for running, some were built for power. One of the most famous of these is Titanus walleri, which lived in North and South America from about 40 to 35 million years ago. It was huge, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing around 440 pounds. That's heavier than a polar bear. This massive bird had short arms, so it couldn't climb, but it had strong legs that were perfect for kicking. When it was fighting back, larger prey such as Titanus could use its powerful legs to kick its attackers and try and send them flying backwards. It may have even stomped its feet to stun its prey before delivering the killing blow.